Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Let's begin. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit. If it is a fan oven, 170 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, mix an egg, jam, vanilla essence, vinegar, and sugar. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients and measurements. Gradually sift in flour, baking powder, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Add milk in between the sifting and mixing of dry ingredients. A special warm welcome to those new to this channel. I hope you love it here. When I was pouring batter into the pan, I realized that I forgot to add butter. Oh, margarine. I melted the margarine and allowed it to just cool a little bit to be warm. Then I added it on the batter and continued as before. So pour the batter into a greased baking pan. If it is not a silicone pan as I've used, tap a few times and bake for 45 to 60 minutes. Let's make the sauce. In a pan on medium heat, heat milk, sugar, and margarine. Whether using margarine or butter, it is still okay. Add vanilla essence, stir, and simmer for 3 minutes. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't and press the notification bell for new posts. I would truly appreciate that. Poke the pudding while it's still hot and pour the hot sauce. The pudding is sticky by nature. I made it in this pan for presentation. You may use any other pan which is 23 centimeters or 9-inch pan, as long as you grease the pan. At this point, you may serve the pudding with either custard or ice cream. All other options are just optional. That's repetitive. I have served it with homemade caramel. This pudding is decadently delicious, if there is such a word. Please press the like button and leave a comment below and add more value to this video. I hope you will try this pudding. Thank you so much for your time. See you soon. Bye-bye.